It's estimated that as much as 33 billion pounds of plastic enter the ocean each year. Plastic pollution jeopardizes oceans, aquatic life, and human health. It puts the oceans themselves in danger of dying. Much of it collects in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a dead zone in the middle of the Pacific Ocean that is twice the size of Texas. This song is aimed at focusing our thinking and then our actions on this environmental catastrophe.
Drifting in a sea of cellophane dreams, bubble wrap sky sinking in the in-between, neon jellyfish blinking the tide, whispers of warnings we pushed aside. Toxic waves hum lullabies, ghosts of oil spill lullabies. Drifting in a sea of cellophane dreams, bubble wrap sky sinking in the in-between, neon jellyfish blinking the tide, whispers of warnings we pushed aside. Toxic waves hum lullabies, ghosts of oil spill lullabies. I reach for air, but all I breathe is someone's old debris. Plastic ocean, pull me under, choking on the lies we squandered. Robotic fish with empty eyes swim through islands made of time. Plastic ocean, cold and clever, built to last and last forever. City lights flicker in the deep, echoes of voices we failed to keep. Screens flash warnings, no one blinks. Too busy drowning in what we think. Glass reflections show the past, a world we thought would always last. But the core was made of plastic bones, and every shell's a broken home. Plastic ocean, pull me under, choking on the lies we squandered. Robotic fish with empty eyes swim through islands made of tan. Plastic ocean, cold and clever, built to last forever. The waves rise high, they take the land, stealing glass slip from my hand. The skyline crumbles into the blue, a wasteland made of me and you. Floating, sinking, fading slow, glowing trash is all we know. Plastic ocean, plastic sea, you were them, now you're me.
Let's stop filling our oceans with plastic. Let's stop killing our planet. Read what the destruction of the environment leads to in the history of the far future. The girl who rode the Unihorn